first we have to find the domain. So when we have to find the domain, it means we have to find all possible values of x for which the function is defined. Let's see what kind of operation we have here. We have fraction bar, and in denominator we have square root. We know that we calculate square root only for positive numbers or 0. Why positive? Because when we take negative number under square root, we will not get real number. So let's check when it will be positive. X minus 2 will be greater than 0. Why I don't put here equals 0? Because the square root is in denominator, and denominator cannot be 0. So let's solve this inequality. We have x is greater than 2. So we can draw number line. We have 0, 1, 2. Our inequality sign is greater, so we have 2 excluded, and x is greater, it means going to the right side, positive infinity. So we have open interval from 2 to positive infinity. This is our domain. Now we have to find the range. When we have to find the range, it means we have to find all possible values of y, our output. On the right side, we have negative numerator, and on the denominator, we have square root. The value of square root will be positive because we take under square root all positive numbers. So numerator is negative, denominator is positive, negative divided by positive give us always negative number. So y is smaller than 0. Now we can draw number line. 0, 0 is excluded. Y is less than 0, so going to the left side, negative infinity, so we have interval from negative infinity to 0. This is our range.